ornaments. Sugreef heard Ram's story patiently and then said, "O Lord, I think I have seen Mother Sita. I heard her cries once when I was sitting in the forest with Hanuman. She was shouting out your name. A cruel demon was carrying her in a pushpak chariot." He said further, "Lord, Mother Sita threw down a bundle of jewels from the sky. We have kept them safe. I will ask Hanuman to fetch them. My feeling is that the demon must be Ravan." Hanuman was filled with anger when he heard the details again. He felt like crushing the demon. He brought the bundle of jewels and gave them to Ram. Ram and Lakshman became emotional on seeing the bundle of jewels. Their eyes were filled with tears. Each and every jewel in it reminded them of Sita and the beautiful memories attached to it. Hanuman could feel that Ram was in deep pain. Ram helped Sugreef to kill Bali. Ram had promised Sugreef that he would help him kill Bali and get his kingdom back. All of them left for Kishkindha. As they reached Kishkindha, Ram instructed Sugreef to challenge Bali for a battle. He said, "When you are fighting with him, I will shoot an arrow and kill Bali." Sugreef agreed to do as he was told to do. A fierce fight began between Bali and Sugreef. Bali soon defeated him. Sugreef was severely bruised. He asked Ram, "O Lord, why didn't you attack Bali?" Ram said, "You both resemble a lot. I was unable to distinguish between you and Bali. To overcome this, Hanuman brought a garland of flowers and placed it around Sugreef's neck. This way, Ram would be able to identify Bali. The next day, Sugreef once again challenged Bali. This time, Ram succeeded in killing Bali. Ram then crowned Sugreef as the king of Kishkindha. Hanuman reminds Sugreef of his promise. Months passed by. Sugreef soon became so engrossed in worldly pleasures that he completely forgot his promise to help Ram find Sita. On the other hand, Ram's restlessness was increasing day by day. He said, "You should never forget the help Ram rendered to you. It's high time we started searching for Mother Sita. Summoned all the monkeys immediately. A huge monkey force gathered in the middle of the forest adjoining Kishkindha. They made 4 groups and started the search for Sita in 4 different directions. Angad, Bali's son, and Jambavan also joined the search team. Angad became a devotee of Lord Ram too. He joined Hanuman's search team and headed towards the south. I think we should remind Sugreef about his promise. Talk to Hanuman about this as he visits us daily. Lakshman discussed this with Hanuman. Hanuman felt very disappointed and realized Sugreef's fault. He reminded Sugreef of his commitment. He said, Hanuman reaches southern tip of India. Ram and Lakshman stayed in the forest while the monkey warriors set out to find Sita. The monkey army started searching each and every corner of earth. Ram had given his royal signet ring to Hanuman. He had asked him to show the ring to Sita so that she might recognize Hanuman as a messenger of Ram. Soon, Hanuman, Angad, Jambavan, and their search party reached the southern tip of India, where a huge ocean lay in front of them. Hanuman and his group were clueless. Till then, their search gave no clue of Mother Sita. They all sat on the rocks by the shore, much disappointed and not knowing what to do next. How can I return to Kishkinda without any information about Mother Sita? How will I face Lord Ram? I would rather die here. Hanuman lamented. Seeing Hanuman in a sad state, Jambavan consoled him that they would definitely find out Mother Sita.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.